Unit 1. Eating round the world. Listening 1. Read and listen.
Hi, I'm Lynn. I'm 11 and I'm from China. Chinese food is really delicious. We eat a lot of rice, noodles, vegetables, and meat. We fry or steam a lot of our food. It is very healthy. In China, people don't usually eat with knives and forks. Instead, we use chopsticks and we sometimes use spoons. We usually eat from big serving dishes. We put them in the middle of the table, but we sometimes serve portions of rice in small bowls. In China, we don't think it's rude to reach across the table to take food from serving dishes. We do think it's rude to take the last piece of food from a serving dish for yourself. We offer it to another person instead. That is very polite. When your bowl is empty, someone gives you more food. When you are full, you put your hand over your bowl or leave some food in your bowl. We don't put our chopsticks on top of our bowls. We put them on the table next to us when we finish eating. We don't use napkins, but we usually clean our hands with hot towels at the end of the meal. Do you like Chinese food? Is it very different from food in your country?